Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you will unlock once you reach level 12 of the gardening hobby in Heartopia. So I'm just going to upgrade my gardening hobby here. So hobby upgrade, confirm. That means I do need to earn more gardening proficiency, and I have unlocked 2 plants, and the watering can maintenance is 6, sorry. Okay, so let's go to blank and let's see what we've unlocked. We have finally unlocked the Cacao Tree Seed. I'm so happy, and it only takes 5 hours to grow. So I'm going to I'll purchase like 100 first. Let's do that. And then what about the flowers? Did we unlock anything? Oh, the orchids! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, so yeah, you will unlock the orchids as well as the cacao tree seeds. Um, I'm gonna plant these and I'll show you. Actually, I'll plant the cacao tree first and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And then in the next video, because flowers take longer to plant, I'll show you what the orchids look like. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to plant the cacao tree seeds here. If I can just find it. Oh, it's this one. So I will use the fertilizer just so I can show you guys right now because I don't want to wait 5 hours for it to grow. So let's use, oh my gosh, there's only 3 hours. Okay, maybe I do need to wait. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Yay! And here's what it looks like when it's all grown. It's the cocoa bean. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!